This is another YouTube video coming to you from Dayton, Ohio. Right now we have thunderstorms with rain, like momentarily ago. But last couple minutes ago, we did have lightning striking in front of my house. I'm just outside of my garage right now, getting this stuff for you guys. You guys can watch it. So enjoy the show. Ooh. Good thing I backed up. And I felt that, guys. I felt that one in my heart. My cat. I'm scared. You scared? I know. Someone's here. Missed the whole driveway. Why she missed the whole curve?
Travis, what is her business?
She missed the whole she missed the whole driveway.
Come on.
She thinking it's you.
Yeah.